Alright, so we've imported all of our users from Active Directory. We're kind of back where we started, back when we clicked new multiple users. As you can see here, we have all of our users. You click the next page and we'll get more. We have 91 users. Now, here's where you kind of search for everything. If you click O here, we get our office managers because we've highlighted the business unit section. So go back to all, and if you highlight the full name, we can refine and look for, let's say, all the O's in our organization. I do want to talk about our admin. Our admin in our on our worksheet said that it would be in the CRM admin staff business unit, but because we were using this user to import all of the other users here, we can't change the business unit while we're logged in. Now, if you do click on the full name here, the user credentials come up, and typically you'd want to just click on this business unit, but you can't change it from here. You got to go up here to change business unit, and you're going to bring up the business unit, CRM admin staff. You would click this and you'd be able to move the user, but because we're logged in as that particular user, we can't. So we'd have to log out and use either Abe Lincoln or Riley Geist and change the unit. So I'll click OK. We're going to get an error here, and the error user management came up. You cannot move yourself to another business unit. So that's how you change a business unit, but don't send. Alright, so let's take a look at our roles, our security roles, and let's take a look at our salespeople. They're on the lower end of the permissions sort of tree. As you can see here, they have user level accounts, create records. They can read at a full organizational level. They can write at an organizational level. They can delete at a user level. So basically, if I create a record as a salesperson, I can only delete the records that I create. If I can, let's say, see access to, let's say, read something from, let's say, one of the marketing staffs, I wouldn't be able to delete that particular record. Alright, so let's take a look at someone with a little more permissions. Let's take a look at our CEO. So as you can see, the CEO has a ton of more permissions on an organizational level. As you can see here, some of the mail templates that he creates here are on the user level. He's not a salesperson, so he's not in he's not too deep into some of the opportunity stuff, a lot of the cold calling that the salespeople might make to type some records in. He does have access to, obviously, sales invoicing. He can do stuff at the business management level. He'd be the one setting goals, and here's an interesting one here: customization. Typically, these are things that you'd want to give to your administration staff that manage CRM daily. You probably wouldn't want him to be able to create any option sets or entities or whatever. This is kind of a very important part to know and manage. because this is what you'd want your IT staff to really be able to do. You wouldn't want to give permissions to anyone else. And that's it. I hope you found this informative. I'm going to start creating more of these videos and really start getting into depth on workflows. Again, you can hit me up and message me if you have any questions about this. Hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.